The hand gesture control on the DJI Neo 2 is without doubt one of the best selling points. It's simple and it just works. Nothing is really overly complicated. All you need to do is remember a few steps and you'll have control of the full drone. So let's check how it works. So I've been using this for a couple of weeks now, and honestly, it has worked as expected every single time. Takeoff is very simple. Use the select buttons on the drone to switch between modes and their ranges by holding them for a couple of seconds.
Circle, droney, selfie shot, follow, 10 meters, 6 meters.
Once you're ready, press the takeoff button once with the drone facing you. You'll start to hear a countdown and then the Neo 2 will take off automatically.
2, 1.
So this is set to 20 meters. Now to control the drone, raise your palm toward the drone. You'll see the status light turn blue, which means the gesture control is now active. Now simply move your hand in any direction and the drone will follow your hand movement. Now to control the distance, raise both palms facing the drone until the light turns blue. Move your hands apart to push the drone further, or bring your hands closer to pull it towards you. Now to land the drone, open your palm facing upwards and make sure it's below the level of the drone so the camera knows what movement you're making. Make your hand as big and flat as possible and the drone will recognize this and automatically land in your palm. And that's it, it's literally that simple. This might honestly be one of the biggest reasons to choose the Neo 2 over any other drone. It's a clean, no-nonsense shooting style that works well and saves you connecting to a phone or a remote control. That's all for now. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you want to see more videos like this, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya!